Welcome to LeSuite LLC's first Mega Edtech and Technology Development Summit. This summit is addressing some of the most controversial topics in education, and we want to thank you all for coming out. We would like to start off by introducing our innovative speakers helping shape the future of education. Our first speaker is Steve MYRTHIL, EdTech leader and innovator addressing new opportunities technology has introduced to education. Our second speaker, we have SHARIA HUDA, EdTech leader and startup mentor addressing augmentative technology and why it is so important in educational development. Then we will hear from OLADOSU TEYIBO, CEO and co-founder of Analog, addressing how data security is affecting our educational development. Addressing traditional Montessori schools transition to digital learning, we have GERD, WENNIng, CEO and CTO of the Digital Schooling Company. Our last speaker will be Dr. Joseph Petrino, addressing building solutions for the future of technology, development, and EdTech. This summit is brought to you by LeSuite LLC and the host for MEDTS 2020, Taylor Lee and Cynthia Sweeney, founder and co-founder.